So my name is Steve Brooks, and I practice mainly in personal injury, catastrophic cases. And I graduated from law school in 1986. So I worked for another firm that I think had 6 attorneys at the time. And I've always been entrepreneurial by nature. And after working with another firm, getting an idea of what it was like to practice law, I decided to go out on my own and start my own firm. I grew up in Winterhaven, Florida, which is in Polk County. I've lived in Tampa, I've lived in St. Pete, I've lived in Winterhaven. And so pretty much our whole market I've lived in. I wanted to be a lawyer because everybody said that I love to argue, so you ought to be a lawyer. And I was a late bloomer as a lawyer. I graduated from college and was in the citrus business and the real estate business for several years, and ultimately went back to law school in my late 20s. So my greatest strength as an attorney, I think, is being able to see the 30,000-foot view. Being a good lawyer is all about details, and you have to get down to the nitty-gritty. But if you lose sight of the big picture, you can get lost in the details. And so I have that ability to back up and look at the 30,000-foot view and look down the road to see what might help or might hurt. I like working at Brooks Law Group because of the people, the clients, the team members. I look forward to coming to work every day just because of the people. When someone becomes my client, they can expect 110% effort on my part, and they can expect to be able to contact me. Many times I give out my personal cell number. So I have a heart for people and a heart for Winterhaven, and there's an organization in Winterhaven called Heart for Winterhaven. And I personally support it. Brooks Law Group supports it. They do a tremendous job of connecting nonprofits to prevent nonprofits basically doing the same thing, duplicating work. That's one of my favorite off-the-job activities. I've been a job mentor for Heart for Winterhaven. They have this, I think it's a 12-week program where they mentor people who are looking for work or want to advance. It was a heartfelt moment to act as a job mentor in the Heart for Winterhaven Jobs for Life program. I was a board member of Tri-County Human Services, which is in 3 counties, Tri-County, and they deal with behavioral issues and addiction issues. And all of us have at some point in our life have dealt with or have a family member that's dealt with those issues. And Tri-County is a great organization that is on the front lines of that battle. I enjoy biking, I enjoy working out, and I enjoy movies. When I go to a movie, I can completely forget about everything going on in my life and escape for 2 hours. So I'm glad that we're post-COVID and I can go in the theater and go to movies. Brooks Law Group has been around for 30 years, and we're financially stable. We have great team members. We are in the fight with you. Well, we communicate, we're on your side. And if I were going to recommend that my mom to go somewhere, I would recommend Brooks Law Group.